In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your MEATER Plus wireless meat thermometer to your phone with a full setup tutorial perfect for beginners. First, make sure your MEATER Plus is fully charged and powered on. Next, download and open the MEATER app from the App Store or Google Play Store on your smartphone. Open the app and create an account, or log in if you already have one. Turn on Bluetooth on your phone, as MEATER connects via Bluetooth. In the app, tap Add a Device, or the ++ icon to start pairing your MEATER Plus. Follow the instructions to put your MEATER Plus into pairing mode, usually by pulling the thermometer out of the charging dock and waiting for the light to blink. Select your MEATER Plus from the list of available devices. The app will connect, and you'll be ready to start monitoring your cooking. You can now use the app to check meat temperatures, set alerts, and access cooking guides. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more easy smart kitchen tutorials.